I'm back in at $45. I've got to recoup $4,000. For anybody joining me in, we're going to do this live. GCT, I was up a good amount this morning, and she got me 4,000 on that huge sell-off. Just got back from the gym, and we are going to start trading it. Let me get everything pulled up here. I'm back in at $45 right on the button. What's up, everybody? Let's go. So I'm back in. She got me for $4,000. I had traded it several times this morning. In the very last out with her, she snatched $4,000 from me. So now I'm trying to make my $4,000 back. I'm trying to make my $4,000 back. I'm back in at 45. It's very risky. It's very risky right now. But that's the risk I'm going to take to try to recoup that 4,000. I just want everybody to know there's somebody in the Patreon. I banned a couple people, but one fella in the Patreon was saying, I thought we all worked as a group, and how come people are selling so fast and paper handing this? We work as a group on the IPO day, on the day it's launched, day one. If you decide to re-enter this stock on day two, it's every man for themselves. We're all on our own. We're all taking our risks. So I don't like that nonsense being talked in the Patreon that people are paper handing this on day two. That's the whole point. The whole point is to take profit, and you take your money, and you don't give a shit about me. You take your money. And if you leave me bag holding, that's my fault. Okay? So, I mean, obviously, I was left bag holding $4,000, and that is totally my fault because I'm the guy that decided to get back in. So I don't want that around the Patreon that people are blaming one another for not diamond handing this thing on day two. All right? So I'm back in at $45. Still don't have my voice. She had a really nice recovery here a second ago. Let's see what she does. Looks like she's still trying to push. Looks like she's still trying to push. Awful lot of manipulation on this ticker today, but she's a beast. She's an absolute beast. Lock answer 200 today, TZ? No, 2,000, bro. 2 million. It's going to 2 million. I'm going to repeat what I said here a second ago. There are people in the Patreon getting on to other members selling today, and I do not like that. Nobody is to diamond hand this shit on day two, but if you do decide to break rule number one, which is get back in a ticker, you trade it, well, that is on you, it's on me, it's every man for themselves, okay? Neither one of us are responsible for each other on day two when we get back in. It's the most dangerous thing to do, so you are on your own. And if you sell and you leave me a bag holder, that is my problem. That is my fault. That is not your fault. I don't want anybody in the Patreon ever talking that shit, or you get the hell out of my Patreon. I want everybody taking profit. That's right. We're all lone wolves on the second day. I like how you said that, Chronicles. So I'm back in at 45, and she got for 4,000 this morning on that cliff dive, and now I've just got to see if I can get it back. And if I don't get it back, I don't get it back. She could burn me right now. I'll lose another 2,000. That's on me. I'm being greedy. I'm trying to get my 4,000 back. Let's see if she gives it to me. So right now she's struggling to get back in the green. I'm curious as to why that is. I'm so curious as to why it's having such a hard time breaking that resistance line just to get back in the green. I think she's going to do it, though. I think she's going to do it. How's everybody doing? Did you guys, did you all get out in time before that massive sell-off? I hope y'all did. Did y'all get out? I didn't get out in time. It took me for 4,000 on that sell-off. I didn't get out in time. So I'm back in at 45. I'm seeing hard resistance at that. Damn. I mean, what is so hard about breaking 48 bucks? Come on, baby, break it. All she's got to do is break that 48, and then she's going to take off. She's got to break the 48. Come on, baby. We got to break the 48. Come on. I don't recommend anybody getting back in at these risky levels, okay? I'm not recommending anybody get back in. This is crazy risky now. Somebody just said buy, buy, buy. Let the big money buy. Let the big bankers buy. Unless you got the balls of fucking King Kong, you be careful right now, all right? So I'm trying to guess that $48 resistance. Once she hits that 48, baby, she's going to take off, guys. She's got to break through 48. Once she breaks through 48, she's fucking gone. She's gone, all right? Come on, she's got to do it. Let her retest it 3 or 4 times. After she retests it 3 or 4 times, she should break it. She should break it. Come on, baby. Yeah, I'm sick as fuck. I got COVID. Welcome to the party, man. It took my voice. I don't have a voice anymore. I'm all fucked up, man. I hate this COVID shit. I hate it. It's cost me money. COVID's cost me so much money. It's no joke. Hey, thank you, Nels. I did. I jumped out multiple times, bro. I was up 13,000, so I made 13,000, and then I lost 4,000. I made 13, I lost 4. I want my 4 back. That's why I'm back in. So what I think I'm going to do is it continues to hit that resistance and fall back. So I'm thinking I'm going to sell at the next resistance. If she retests, I'm going to sell at the next resistance and take that profit and then get back in because it looks like she's having a really hard time breaking that. Now watch, I'll sell and she'll break it. But I'm going to go ahead and start setting up my market sale to get out of here as she closes in on 48. If she closes in, I'll take, that'll be about 3,000 profit right there. I'll get 3,000 of my money back if it lands on the 48. I'm in at 45, 1,000 shares. If I sell it 48, I make $3,000. Let's see if she can do it. And this is how it's done. If you are really, really risky and you lose money, she'll give you the money back, but you got to take enormous fucking risks to get the money back. And I don't recommend this. You guys already know I'm breaking my own rule here by not just walking away. She's having a hard time, man. STBX tomorrow. STBX tomorrow. Man, I thought she was going to break through, you know. Thought she was going to break right through. I thought she had this. Come on. I thought she had this, baby. She hit 65 in pre-market on Webull. Hit 65 bucks. Yeah, so it looks like everything's on point for Starbucks tomorrow. STBX. Good ticker. No, I didn't pre-order. I did not pre-order. No, sir. A lot of volume pushing this thing today. I see that. A lot of volume, but she's got to retest 48 and she's got to crush it. She's got to crush it. I just don't see why she's not crushing it. Yeah, I just don't see why she's not crushing it, man. I'm going to give it one more chance. And what I might end up doing is either selling at a break even or selling it like barely fucking profit here. And like right off. So for those of you tuning in, I'm back in at $45. Trying to recoup a $4,000 loss. I really needed her to go to 39. I'm sorry, 49. She's really struggling to break that. We're at 1:30 in the afternoon. It's post-lunch. She's getting her legs back, but she's struggling to break this heavy resistance. So which I think by end of day, she's going to do it. You know, it's just the longer I stay in, the bigger risks I take here. And the thing is, yeah, if this thing breaks the 48 resistance, she's gone, guys. If it breaks the 48, kiss her goodbye. She'll probably retrace all the way back to 60 if she can break the 48. I think she's going to do it. She's got to do it. You might hear my aquarium. My lobster aquarium is over there. That might be what you're listening to. I don't know. She's going to make a stab for it. Here she goes. She's going to try it again. Come on, baby. Come on. She's going to try it again. I can't believe this didn't hit $100 today. I cannot believe it didn't hit $100. I'm just shocked, man. Totally shocked. Come on, baby. Let's go. Can't believe it's struggling. Let's go. That 48. Break it. Break it. 46. So right now I'm up 1,000. So this is when I go into my trade, I hit sell, and I start watching it from within. Just in case she gets close and taps, I've already got my 1,000 shares ready to sell. So now I'm just on standby, just seeing if she can do it. She is struggling. Boy, she's struggling. Is everybody out? Any else still in with like an enormous amount of shares, like 1,000 shares or more? Or is the majority of you guys out? 400 shares? Jennifer's got 400 shares. You were smart not getting back in. Smartest thing would have been not to get back in. Because, boy, she was testy as fuck today, man. Testy. 170 shares. Paul, you got 525. Man, you know what's crazy is out of all the IPOs that we have played, this is the best company, the best fundamentals, all the money. It's got all the goods for a long hold. You know what I'm saying? So you'd think that they'd be pushing this puppy into the 100 by now. It doesn't make any sense, that this thing hasn't retraced at least to 60 and held that just off the company alone. It's crazy, man. This might be an end of week ripper. Yeah. Watch it be like everybody decides to come back for the company middle to end of week. Okay, guys, she's trying to go again. She's about to try it one more time. Here we go. She's about to break 47. Come on, baby, do it. Come on. Just let her go, baby. Let her go. Let her go. $47, $42, $47, $50. All right, I'm going to sell right now, take my profit. So I just sold. I took profit at 47.23. It's now coming back down. I'm going to buy back in. So I just made about $2,200 back. So now I'm going to try to re-enter in the low 40s. Maybe I'm going to try. Let me see what I should shoot for. Watch her break it now. Watch her break it. Look at this shit. Nope. So 44.50. Let me see what I can do here. So I just took one trade. I'm out. I sold the full 1,000. I'm out. Now, yeah, good for you, Florida girl. Yep. So I just made half of my loss back. Now I'm going to try to re-enter around 44, and I'm going to do 1,000 shares at 44. And here she comes. She's at 45. I'm going to try to get back my other 2,000. I want to see anything 44, and then maybe she'll retrace and she'll break the 48 this time. This is how you do it, man. Little small, tiny steps to get your money back. So I sold at a loss. Now I'm back in, just chipping away at it to get my money back. Really risky. We got a decent amount of people watching now. I want to repeat what I said earlier. There were some people in the Patreon getting on to our members for selling today and not diamond handing, not doing the diamond handed thing on this today. And that is wrong. And I don't want anybody doing that in the Patreon. On day one, when the IPO launches, we all unite as a group and we get after it. But if you decide to get back in on day two or you get back into day trade, that is totally on you. That is not on anybody in the group. Nobody's accountable. It's every man for themselves. Today I lost because I decided to get back in. I'm not blaming anybody but me. And I lost because my Patreons took profit. And you all let me bag holding today. And I'm totally cool with that. It's every man. It's whoever can sell the quickest makes the money. And if I'm the last in line, so be it. I'm the last in line. I have no reason to bitch, complain, moan, or groan, or blame anybody in the Patreon. So now what I got to do is I got to work a little harder and make my money back. And that's what I'm doing right now. So don't anybody ever do that in my Patreon again. I blocked 2 or 3 people today, and I see people doing it negative nonsense. I'll block y'all. So now here I am. I'm trying to re-enter anywhere under 45 or right at 45. If I can do the same exact trade, I'm going to try to get the same trade. Yo, what up, little country? You sold at 52.60 is 43. Yeah, we're doing Starbucks tomorrow, bro. I'm over here trying to regain some gains, man. But I don't know if they're going to give it to me. I'm not finding a solid re-entry right now. Not finding a solid re-entry. I'm getting close though. I'm pretty happy with what's going on. I'm not complaining. I am trying to get my money back though. I was up 13,000, and then in total of all my trades. But then I got back in, and she got knocked right off the cliff when she just went all the way down into the abyss. I was in when she hit the abyss. So she took $4,000 back. So I'm trying to get that money back. That's all I'm doing. Here we go. She's tapping 45. I've got my 1,000 ready to go. All I got to do is hit sell it, buy it, the review button. So I'm already in the review section of Robin. The sale. It's a market order. Let's go, baby. Come on. I'll take flat 45 again. Flat 45. Let's go. Flat 45. Then she hits 47. I make my 2,000 back because I'm going to get 1,000 shares right now. So all she's got to do is hit 47 again, and I just made back my second half. Now I'll be recovered the full 4,000. She's got to hit the 45 though. See, I don't trust getting in at 46 because then she has to hit 48, which she has not been able to do. She cannot break past 47.25 or 47.30. So that means I have to get in lower. So I have to try to get in under 45 if I can. I just got to be patient. Please just ignore those negative assholes in the Patreon. I blocked them as fast as I could. Here we go. Give me my entry. Come on. Here comes my entry. Here it comes. It's about to break under 45. Here it comes, baby. Give it to me. Here it comes. Oh, she's going back up. Come on, break it. Oh, she's going wrong way, you fool. Come on, wrong way. Excuse me. Break the 45. Market makers must be watching my live right now. Damn it. They didn't give it to me. Come on, baby. Break the 45. Jesus, you know, when I first got on live, it was breaking 40 like every 10 seconds. It was breaking a 45. Now look at her. Now she don't want nothing to do with it. Now it's like everybody's buying back in. Everybody's buying back in because they know, watch after hours, this thing's going to rocket. She's just going to blow back up. Come on, man. Give me, I'll just take a flat 45 at this point. But see, because I'm doing a market order, typically you want it to fall into 49. I'm sorry, 44.90, say, or 44.88, because they're going to do the payment for order flow and they're going to probably 10 cents. So then you end up buying it at a higher number. They always do that, but I have no choice. I have to do that right now. Yeah, I should have bought. Well, come on, man. I should have bought right there at the 45. It was 45.01. I should have just hit the buy button. Liquid swords. That's what I'm hoping for, bro. I need her to break under 45 so I can get back in. Then maybe she'll break the 48 finally, and I'll actually make me a more bucks. It hit 45.01. I should have just hit the buy button. I should have just hit the buy button on the 45.01. Adam, 1,000 shares. I always do 1,000 shares. So if it moves $1, I make $1,000. If it moves $3, I make $3,000, so on and so forth. Here we go. 45, baby. Come on. Here we go. 45. Back to 46. Jesus. What up, Luck? How are you, bro? So I'm day trading GCT. I'm trying to recoup 4,000. I just recovered 2,000 of it. I'm trying to enter at anything under 45. 1,000 shares. I would like to catch like 44.90, 44.88. A little kind of the end of day auction. Very true, bro. But you know me, I'm so damn antsy. I might be in the end of day auction also. So if I can make this money back and then get in the end of day auction, but I'm very confident that this is going to rip. I'm just really confident that if this breaks that 48 resistance, guys, kiss it goodbye. It breaks 48, kiss it goodbye. Okay, here we go. I got to pay attention. I am now at 45.70. Trying to buy back in 45.64. Uh-oh. Shit. What's going on with my phone? Oh, man. Nice. Perfect timing. My phone's going dead. There we go. 45.20. Did I miss 45 flat when that just happened? I probably missed it, right? Just my luck, my phone goes dead and I miss 45 flat probably. No? Anna says no. Cool. Okay. I thought I had my phone plugged in. Apparently not. So I'm on a second entry. I'm day trading this now. Down 4,000 from this afternoon, and I was able to recoup 2,000. Trying to catch another 2,000. And here I'll show you. I've got it. All I got to do is hit review and go boom. So I'm already set so I can immediately strike my price. 1,000 shares. Oh yeah, we're doing Starbucks tomorrow. We're doing Starbucks. I'm full on with Starbucks. So in total, if I do make this trade, this will put me in the green of $13,000 for the day on this one trade. There's my 45. I'm taking it. There's my 45. Took it. Now let's see if it gave it to me. It gave me 45.01. Oh geez, now look at it sell off. You bastard. Huh. Excuse me. Uh, uh. Okay, so it gave me the sale at 45.01. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going back into trade. I'm hitting sell. I'm putting in my 1,000 shares to sell. And now I will take the next either $1,000 to $2,000 that I see, depending on where I believe this momentum is headed. Man, my voice is gone. My voice is shot. So now I'm out of the money. Holy shit. What the fuck? Pushed over a cliff again. So there you go. I'm losing my 2,000 I just gained. Now I just lost it. Back at 43. Market got its ass beat today. Did you guys see that? The whole freaking market got destroyed. Unbelievable. Any of you guys still in on that ape? You guys playing that ape? I saw AMC got cut in half. Majority of the money went to ape, and then ape sold off, right? It didn't do too well. So now we're going to be moving into power. Is my live feed cutting off? Is it cutting off? You know, I can't believe it's having such a hard time getting back in the green. Just a lousy 48 bucks, man. Lousy $48 to hit the green, you know? No, ape ain't crypto. Ape is your little dividend for holding AMC. Adam Aaron decided he was going to dilute with ape and blame it on the apes. Yep. Yeah, I know it's getting messed with. This is crazy that they simple 48, which is actually 47.71. It's just got to break 47.71, and this thing would have taken off. Would have taken right off, you know? If the audio is breaking up, it might be my voice, because my voice is shot. My voice is just shot. Can you hear me or no? Can y'all hear me? Is it not working? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Yeah, I gotta stop screaming for real. So it looks like I'm gonna retracing my 45 entry. I really got to pay attention here because this is where I could end up getting burnt if the sentiment is to take profit and leave for the day. And if people are doing that, then I have to leave with them. Last thing I want to do is be in this play for another day. I want to be completely out of this play today. So let's see what happens here. I could buy more to average down, but I don't really enjoy doing shit like that. I can't give anybody financial advice. I'm just saying I personally do not want to be in this play for a third day. I was in this play Friday. I'm in this play Monday. I do not want to be here Tuesday. This needs to be a thing of the past Tuesday. Now we might be able to come back a week later and day trade it. But no, I do not want to be here tomorrow. I want to move on to Starbucks tomorrow. And it pisses me off that the audio is cutting in and out of this thing. You know? But anyway, here we go. We are in power hour, so it's exactly 2 o'clock my time. 1 hour to go. Is my phone breaking up really bad? My phone, I'm recording on my telephone here. Is it breaking up really bad? Can you guys hear me all right, or should I restart everything? Oh, so you guys hear me okay? Okay. It's on a cell phone. I actually record on an Android, and I'm trading on a iPhone. So I'm using the two. Okay, cool. All right, guys. So anybody that's still in, what I'm basically explaining is tomorrow I want to play Starbucks. So I don't want to have my money tied up in GigaCloud tomorrow. I want to have all my money free for STBX. I don't want to be a third day tied up with this. I wish I could, bro. I'm probably one of the last of our group trading this. I don't know. Maybe some people had the balls to get back in. I might be the final people trading it. I'm just trying to recoup losses. That trench really pissed me off, man. That trench, holy shit. It fell all the way to $31, guys. That pissed me off. I was in the trench when it fell to the 31. That's how I lost the $4,000 so quickly. So it's retracing my 45. And now we have to see if we are in a trending wedge that is a downward. If this is trending downward, then I'm going to need to get out. Well, I just got to pay attention. She's stuck at basically $44. She's stuck. She's stuck at 44. I am on a. I've traded this so many damn times today. I've lost track, to be honest with you. Up 13,000. She took 4,000 back. I just took 2,000 back. Now I'm trying to take another 2,000, or I might just call it quits and break even here in a minute, because it is. It is creating a downtrend wedge, and those are never fun. Those are never fun. Sometimes it's just less stressful to get the hell out and stay out. She's going to break the, she's broke the 44. She broke the 44. I need her to wedge up, not to wedge up. What are you doing? Wedge up. Anybody get any short interest on this? Anybody see if there's a short interest percentage yet for today? Yeah, retail can short it. Well, she is at 44.20. So now I'm going back into my sell position. Let's see what happens. 44.50, 45. So I'm at break even right now. And it just sold off. I'm at break even again. I might just go break even for the day. $44.50. Yeah, she had a hard time breaking these easy numbers, man. Makes no sense. Easy numbers. Break them. What's the problem? Excuse me. Boy, if she can't break 45, she ain't ever going to break 48. If she can't just break a simple 45, what is she doing? Man, keeps knocking on the door. 44.80, 44.90, 44.50. Yeah, I'm thinking about as soon as she taps that 45 again, I'm just going to break even. I'm just surprised that she hasn't ripped this late in the game. She didn't just bust right through that 48 and take off, because she would have. She would have taken right the fuck off, man. Back to almost 50 bucks. Yeah, I saw the whole market got destroyed today. Kind of explains why this didn't do as well as I had hoped it was going to do. See, I'm not looking at the pattern right now. I'm not looking at the pattern. What is her problem? I'm hoping all the Megalodons are in Starbucks. I hope the entire group pounces on it. So if I break even on this trade, I'll basically made $11,000 today. In total today, I will have made 11,000 if I break even on this trade. And I'm looking like I'm probably just going to break even. Here she goes again. She's trying to retest the 45, but we're really needing her to bust with some really good volume. Bust right through 48. 47.71. If she would have done that, we wouldn't have been able to catch her. We would not have been able to catch her, but she's struggling now. And I think it has to do with just the market in general. The whole market sucks, man. Yeah, that'd be great, Akeisha, if she hits the 53. Boy, I'll make me a pretty penny then. It was showing some really good signs of life about a half hour ago. She was doing really good. Lost that momentum, though. Just lost that push. Lost the push. Yeah, I'm going live tomorrow. I'm going live tomorrow for Starbucks. All right? We're going to be doing that one together. CEI just keeps on bouncing back, doesn't it? CEI is the gift that keeps on giving. I love that ticker, man. I should have played that last week. CEI was up last week. I'll probably be live tomorrow at about 8 a.m. Around 8-ish. You already got 3,200 Starbucks. Good luck. I don't know how many of those they're going to give you. I don't think you're going to end up with all 3,200 of them, though. That's not the way they like to do. Deals they went against your trading, Teddy. That's right. Never get back in a ticker. She was giving up a lot of money, though. I mean, even if I were to take a loss right now, I'm still up quite a bit. Which I'm going to try not to do. This is why I say, just be careful getting back in on a second day or getting back in after you've already left for the day. No, Starbucks is not part of the Hong Kong group. Nope. It should still fare pretty well. It's not going to have that type of attack on it, though. Hopefully, everything's smooth with it, and they don't do anything funky with the changing the date again or shutting down a broker. And that would suck. So, did you guys get your ape this thing? How many of y'all are in ape? Boy, she is that wedge. I should have known. Look at that. $157 ape. So now what are you guys going to do with your ape? What do you guys do with that now? You just hold it forever or what? How does that work? What are you guys planning on doing with it? Are y'all going to sell it or are you going to hold it? You're just going to hold it? Yeah, I'm done with AMC too. Nothing to do with AMC. Yeah, I personally think AMC cooked now. I mean, I couldn't imagine losing any more money. Boy, just all the money lost now has just got to be kicking a lot of people to the curb. Well, she kind of formed a double bottom at the last second here, but that doesn't really mean much. She looks like she's still struggling. We did double bottom. We got the W. Just not enough to push her up as high as I'd like. She's still struggling. Kevin is shorting GCT? What the fuck? Are you kidding me? I mean, if AMC at this point lives to see another day and YouTubers keep pushing ass, I don't know. I couldn't imagine being that guy, still believing that that's going to happen. I just couldn't. I don't want to be that guy, you know? After everything that now, this huge dilution game, he's been shorting it for the last 2 hours. Well, damn. Maybe he's making some money. Tish Spalding goes, please don't comment on things you're no up on. You're saying to me, don't comment on things I'm not up on. I think I've been up on AMC for the past year and a half and watched it go from $77 all the way down to what, $10? What's it at right now, $11? I think I'm pretty well informed on what the fuck that stock's been doing. And it's been doing nothing but taking all y'all's money away from y'all. Yet people stick around, just allowing it to take more. What else could you possibly tell me about that stupid stock? That stock live from day one was a lie. And it's still a lie. Adam Aaron's just trying to bait everybody. He did nothing to help the apes. He did nothing. Nothing at all. Fully or what happened. The ticker lost how much money today? Between ape and the ticker itself, what's it down to? $17 or something? That's your MOAS? That's what you wanted? That's why you got in this play for $17? If you got in this play for $17, you could have gotten GCT Friday and made about freaking $50 per share. But 17 makes you happy, then you stick around for your $17. So it looks like GCT is done and over with. GCT is done and over with. So it looks like I'm going to give my $2,000 back. I'm going to end up giving my 2Gs back. Because I am going to sell this shit and get out of it. I'm going to try to sell. Looks like I'm going to lose the 2,000 I just made, damn it. It sure did. It dropped right under that trend line. So I'm about to lose the 2,000 that I just made. Fucking A. Fucking bastards. She's trying to retrace, but damn. It is not looking good. $43.21. Daniel Clem. For the day, Daniel, I'm up $13,000 minus now about 3, so I'm probably up 10,000 for the day. Daniel, how much are you up, buddy? Go ahead and tell me how much you're up. Even if I take this loss, I'm still up 10,000. Which I'm waiting. I'm going to wait this thing out for another minute. I've seen the Butcher of Wall Street. I mean, I've tuned into his channel periodically, but money for so long and watch it go nowhere. That's why AMC is just a dead play. I don't care how many YouTube channels you want to throw at me. Dead end. You know, it's dead. Yeah, the whole market sucked today. She's trying to bust that 44. Looks like retracing 45 is going to be a struggle for this ticker, which sucks. I'm going to sell at 44. That way I at least made 1,000. If she gives me the 44, I'll sell it to 44 and be happy with $1,000. There it is. There it goes, 1,000. So I am out. Yeah, we're playing Starbucks tomorrow, guys. PXMD is straight shit. PXMD is a straight shit play. Starbucks is the play. Starbucks is the play tomorrow. In total, I made 10,000. I don't know how much in total I made on Starbucks. I have no idea. Today I made 10,000 because I took the 4,000, made another 2, and now I just took 1,000 off, which puts me at 1,000 up off of the last 2 trades. So in total today I'm up 10,000, and I don't even remember what I made Friday. I think I made like 3,000, 3,000. Oh, wait a minute, 4, 5. Yeah, I made 12,000 Friday. Yeah, I did really good Friday. So in total, I'm up 22,000 in total. And that 22 G's goes right to the bank. I don't rebet that money. I put it straight in the bank. I only played GCT. I didn't need to play anything else. GCT was it. It was multiple plays Friday. There were multiple entries I had. I was sitting in the Walmart parking lot in my Corvette day trading it. Just scalping the shit out of it, man. I'm just watching it now to see if there's another re-entry for me. I'm being a little brave today. I don't like getting fucking burnt. Yeah, it's a straight descending wedge, but it looks like she is trying to make a comeback. She is trying to push through that descending wedge. It is. No, I mean, I got burnt when I got pushed into that fucking black hole, the abyss, when it fell all the way down to like $31. I was actually in when that happened, and God, that pissed me off, man. I'm just studying it now to see what she's going to do. Uh, my cauliflower Calkin, what a name. I don't know if it's going to 48. It's struggling just to break 45, so I highly doubt you're going to see 48. Yeah, I'm watching it. I see the bull flag. I'm watching it. Sure would be interesting to see this thing just fly. I would love to see her get some momentum. Hit those numbers she should have hit. This one just got off to a bad start. All the bad karma. All the ditch attempts that Wall Street was making to shake us loose. Got her off to a bad start. They sure do. Tomorrow is Starbucks STBX. I'm just buying in at market open. They'll ask you your best price, and tomorrow you just go ahead and go with the group because I'll be live, and that one's going to be a fun one. Hopefully, I got my voice back for that one. This sucks not being able to talk or just being limited. I don't want to talk too much because it just hurts. It'll hurt the next day. Starbucks is going to be a good play. Yeah, it's going to be a good play. It doesn't have the whole Hong Kong army behind it, but it's still going to be a good play. Yeah, she broke that 44. Anybody else day trading this right now? Are you guys day trading this? Anybody looking for an exit? Are you guys waiting on an exit, or is everybody done for the day? Paul, what exit are you looking for? What exit are you guys looking for? Are you all in the money, or are you out of the money? She's starting to get some traction. There she goes. You guys in the money? You're trying for 45.40. You might get that. You might get that. Johnson said, "What's up with AMC? Would I buy it? No, I will not buy it. I'm done with AMC. AMC just got a bad, dark cloud of negativity surrounding it. Bad juju. I don't like it." Chris Mason is looking for $60 on GigaCloud. Little Country, are there any more HK backed? Yes, there are. Yep. There is one coming. There's a good one coming. I've already announced it on my Patreon. I've announced it. They just haven't secured the date yet. So we need the date. That's all we're waiting on. We need the launch date. It's a 5 million share float. Good company. Jay-Z is not it. No, it's not Jay-Z. I'm going to play Jay-Z, though. That's going to be a pretty good ticket, but that's just not the one I'm talking about. I have no long-term holds right now, none. I've sold everything. My biggest gain ever was Dogecoin. The most amount of money I've made ever in the stock market was with Dogecoin. No, that's my, the water that you hear in the background is my stir aquarium. It just goes around the clock. That's the filter that you're hearing. No, I don't play options. I just do simple day trading. I enjoy the excitement and the high and the thrill of day trading. That's all I do. What up, Joey? How are you, bro? I made, off of Dogecoin, I made $300,000 profit off of Doge. I had 1 million, just over 1 million Dogecoin. And I got in at 0.009. And I sold in the low 30s, 30 cents, low 30 cents. After hours GCT, I don't know. It's got me stumped because, I'm watching it too to see if I can get another trade on it. She began the descending wedge, right? We thought she was going to form a double bottom. to which usually they'll spring up from that W, that double bottom. Now it's forming an ascending wedge. I don't know if it's true though or not. It's going to take another second to see if it's actually going to hold an ascending wedge. And if so, it might be day tradable again. It might be tradable again. Oh, I'm definitely not going to trade it though. I'm done for the day. It's too stressful. It's kind of is not tradable whatsoever. You have to catch an ascending wedge, and once you are able to do that, you can almost guarantee that you could spin at least $1 off of it. $1 or $2 off of it. But we'll see. It's trading sideways now. It's very boring. I am really surprised GCT did not hit $100. That is a shocker. Matt, how did taxes work on your profit on Dogecoin? I pay an enormous amount of taxes a year because of my companies, my businesses. So that money just gets thrown in with the rest of them, bro. I don't even pay attention. My accountant tells me what I owe. She cuts the check. I don't pay attention. It's just another fucking day, man. Paying taxes. I believe I had to pay 30%, something like that, on that 300,000. It's 28%, I believe. Yeah, we found a $43 support, guys. Anybody day trading this thing? She found, I believe she found a 40. Anything can happen, but she's showing that she may have found a $43 support level. No, the Patreon's open. The link is on my YouTube channel. Any day training material available? I use none. I've none. I don't got any of that shit. All those day trading manuals and shit. You just trade momentum plays, man. Learn how to trade momentum plays. If anything, learn how to read a 1-minute chart. That's the only thing that might help you, but typically no. So much for the $43 support. No, I didn't order Jay-Z. Nope. Investor Peep just says Teddy always buys late. I just don't like your attitude, dude. I see Ape is moving. I wouldn't say that was ripping, but I do see it's moving. Let's see what Ape is doing. Ape is at $6.50. Where did Ape open? I didn't even pay attention this morning. Where did Ape open? Like, what were you giving this thing for? $7? What did it open at? $6? $8? And I'm looking. I actually am looking, but I don't know if I want to re-enter yet. Oh, it opened at $10. Oh, wow. So Ape opened at $10. That is one hell of a sell-off, huh? Holy shit. Well, some people are saying 7, some people are saying 10. I do see that they are showing a break even of 704. So yeah, that would tell me that right at market open she hit 704. And then so she ripped to $10. See, now if I had been playing this and she opened at 7 and ripped to 10, I definitely would have sold in there. I would have taken a lot of profit up in that beautiful rip. Little country, you're looking to re-enter 36 to 37. You might get it, man. She's breaking 41. I'm done with GCT though. I'm out of it. I don't think I'm gonna. I don't see a reason right now to re-enter. The the fluctuations in price. It's all too small and it's all too risky. So I would not re-enter personally. And now the bottom's fallen out of it for a minute, so it's pretty dangerous. What do I think STBX is going to open at tomorrow? Anywhere from 8 to 15. 8 to 15 bucks maybe, somewhere around there. But we'll just have to wait and see what happens tomorrow. There's no telling. Yeah, for me to get back in GCT, I don't even know. Even 36, I wouldn't be excited to get back in, I don't think. This is just one of those things now. You just got to let her hit rock bottom. And who's to say 36 is rock bottom? No. You just got to let her look. Rock bottom today was 31. Yeah, 31.86 was rock bottom today that I'm going. Let me see if it went any lower. 31.20 was today's rock bottom. Yeah, me too for all y'all. And using Webull tomorrow. Hopefully nothing gets jacked. The buy or the sell button was pretty screwed up. Starbucks is not on Robinhood yet, but it will be. It'll be on tomorrow morning. It'll be ready to trade tomorrow morning. So 10 minutes left here before after hours trading. and it's bad. It's batted out of the park at 41.26. You just don't see it retracing its opening number of 47.71 today. It's going to have to retrace to hit that number to end in the green. I don't think she's going to be able to do it. You'll find your at market open as far as how many Starbucks shares you get from Webull. Usually goes down around 8 o'clock my time, Central Time, is when you find out how many shares you get. Between 8 and 9 my time. Well, 9 minutes left in after or before after hours trading, and she's struggling. GCT is struggling. Ape cannot be shorted, correct? Not allowed to short this, are they? She's retracing. She sure is. I'm surprised it sold off the way it did. That truly is retail. That's retail walking. So retail can't short this either. I know the 30-day rule with the SEC and the underwriters and all that, but retail cannot short this. Retail can't lend their shares out to short this, huh? I don't know. Maybe I will try to scalp it a couple times then next week or this week. Maybe I will. That's interesting. Yeah, buddy, 7 minutes to go. Real risky to get in GCT at this point. Real risky. She's still trying to hit that 41, but damn, she is struggling. I got the spammer. I got him out. All good. Yeah, don't do it. To make extra money. It's like to make extra money, they're deflating the tickers that you're trying to gain value in. It's stupid, man. That small percentage you make and lending the shares out, you end up losing on the ticker value. And then some. The other level of the Patreon is $50, and you'll get my cell phone so that you can contact me directly to discuss trading or discuss anything, actually. Competition prep, anabolics, diet, stuff like that. That's the level 2. You'll receive my cell phone number. What's up, Seth? I'm still dealing with the sickness, man. It's got my throat now. Shit won't let go of my throat. 5 minutes. Let's see what happens here. 5 minutes. 41.08. Got good support at 41 bucks. Yeah, good. Cancel that share lending, man. They just use it against us. They love using shit like that against us. 42. All right. There she goes. Something might happen. Let's see if anything happens here. Yeah, I don't set stop losses. I never set stop losses. Thanks, Seth. Appreciate you, man. I don't ever take my eyes off my platform when I'm day trading. That's why I don't set stop losses. If my money's in, my eyes are glued to my account. So, still having a hard time at that 41 to 3 minutes left before hours. Not much excitement. And where did Ape land? Did she push through? Ape is off a hair. Kind of figured that was going to happen, but something about hitting those opening numbers. All these tickers are struggling to hit them opening numbers. Akeisha, I was swinging short interest plays, DWAC, tough built, stuff like that. AMC, I was day trading the heck out of AMC. But mostly short interest plays, high short interest plays. Well, 1 minute, and it's not too flattering. GCT is going to pretty much end on a sour note. I damn sure would not get back in, but anything could happen. After hours isn't really looking that promising for GCT right now. Again, anything could happen, but it's just not looking promising. Richie, like that's why I'm out. And I took $1,000 loss on my last out because I didn't want to be holding this for another day. So 2 days, plenty for me. And I am officially out of this. So now there's no looking back. We go on to the next play tomorrow, which is Starbucks. And I'm going to trade that live tomorrow with everybody. So I'll be live at about 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, Central Time. And we'll all start working entries tomorrow and deciding what that number should be. And we'll get us some landing set. We'll be good to go. Yeah, Bed Bath Beyond, Rev. That's right. I like the IPOs, though, because we can kind of control the outcome right out of the gate with the momentum and then get moved to the next play. That's why I enjoy the IPOs. And I also only play them typically one time. It's rare to get back in like this. But like with Starbucks tomorrow, it's just going to be a one-day play, and we'll be out waiting for the next play. So, and that is it. So, all right, guys, I'll be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. ready to trade Starbucks, STBX. It'll be on everybody's platform because NASDAQ's already picked it up. So it's not going to be on your platform yet, but you will see it early tomorrow morning. And it's going to ask you what you're willing to pay, what your highest amount is that you would like to pay for Starbucks. Make sure you join my live tomorrow so we can all discuss that price, okay, that entry. We all like to enter at about the same price. That way we can all get out roughly around the same price. And I know everybody's making the same, roughly the same amount of money in the green, that is. So if I say I sell, then I'm selling. Y'all should be in the money selling as well. That's my point. All right, guys, I'm going to go get some rest. Y'all have an awesome night, and I will see you all tomorrow. Baby, shalom. Peace.